spin up a Docker container with DS Server and create your first PDF document with your own DS Server backend. DS Server is your own on-prem backend server that enables you to integrate professional document services into your applications. Create pixel-perfect documents from MS Word templates using any app on any platform with DS Server. You can also share documents to collaborate on them or to acquire electronic signatures for legally binding signature workflows. Integrated security allows for secure usage of document processing functionality. Choose from a variety of client-side libraries that can connect directly. Easily deploy your backend using Docker. Now, let's take a look at how to get started. Go to www.dsserver.io and navigate to Test Drive. Scroll down and click Download Trial. Click the Download button to go to the online store. Then click Checkout to purchase the free trial version. You will now find a serial number listed under the product you just acquired in your online license management tool. Make a note of this serial number, as it will be required later. Now, navigate to the DS Server homepage and copy the displayed Docker command. Open a Bash or PowerShell window and run the command to download and launch the Docker container. After starting the container, you will find it in the Docker overview. Then, navigate to the listed URL. Your DS Server backend portal has been created and is ready to use. It runs on a small Linux container. Click on Licensing, enter your serial number, and click Register. Create a new security profile to access the services. Give the profile a name. Later, you can create profiles for all your applications or specific users. For testing purposes, enable client credentials and note the client ID in secret. Now, we will use Postman to create our first PDF document. Paste the backend URL from our container, then send a post request to OAuth/token. Select Basic Auth as the authentication type, then enter the client ID as the username and the secret as the password. Add a key named Grant Type with the value Client Credentials to the body. Then click Send. It returns an access token that we can use to access the Document Services Web API. Create a new post request to Document Processing/PDF/create. Provide the token and select Bearer Token as the authentication type. In the body, provide a JSON string with document data as a base 64 encoded string. This can be a Word document or, as in our case, a plain text string. Click Send to generate the PDF document. Then we will copy the returned base 64 string and convert it online to a PDF to see the result. This simple request converted plain text to a PDF. Other typical applications include mail merging MS Word templates with JSON data or integrating an MS Word-compatible document editor into any web application. Take a look at the documentation for all possibilities.